here no dig workshop is going on. No dig is a concept where we are not going to dig the land, but the gardening can be done using these cardboards. So these cardboards, nowadays everyone is ordering online shops, something from supermarket. So you get lot of this type of empty boxes in your home. Simply you put those boxes on the garden area like this. You have grass. When you put cardboard like this, grass is automatically going to die or some weeds going to die. You put such type of wooden chips on top of it, or you can put compost, and that way this will be ready for sowing. This little tool is helping us to put the wooden chips. 4-wheeler trolley. It's easy to carry from one place to other place. This is Valentine month and we are enjoying the love with plants. So we are doing today no digging workshop video, and we have participants with us. There are many participants, but as per privacy data, we ask consent from everyone who want to come in video. So this is the no digging workshop. Here we put on the grass, we put this cardboard, and we are breaking the circuit of solar energy and plants by putting this cardboard. So when we put cardboard, this is breaking the circuit, and this grass cannot grow. Even if it will try to grow, this is being isolated with the wooden chips. So this will make our soil very well nourished. Soil is being prepared and it is being nourished like a human body, because earth we consider as a mother, because in this world the ultimate source of food is earth. Sun is giving us power in the form of solar energy, but ultimately plants are taking that energy, and all the living beings, either you are dependent on meat or you are dependent on plants, you are taking that energy from earth only. So this earth is very well being nourished, and as Luis, once again video is going. Yeah, so Luis is teaching us today's workshop how to no dig and do the plantation. Luis, all yours.
So, yeah, okay. I'm prepared. Okay, yeah. So we've just done our no dig bed basically. So we've started by just laying down some, not breaking anything or weeding anything underneath, just because we're kind of testing how far we can push the no dig method, so to speak. So we've got some cardboard and we've got wood chip on top. So ideally we'd be doing this in autumn time, so that it's got the winter to break down, and the frost will basically keep freezing it, defrosting it, breaking down the wood chip and the soil, etc.
But why we do in autumn time?
So that it's got that time to prepare the soil basically, and so that it can sit and settle, and so the weeds are killed basically. Otherwise we can plant in this today. We've laid it today, so you just dig a hole through here, but you'll have to take out the weeds as you go along. So you'll plant your planting, and every week or so you'll have to come around and take all the
grass
weeds
out
and things. If you've left it for a month or two over winter, that shouldn't be a problem. Everything should be killed underneath, and then you can just plant straight through, and then there's less weeding to do. But effectively you can just lay it and plant straight into it. You've just got to be a bit more on top of the weeding around the planting areas, really.
Okay. Any questions from audiences? Feel free to take questions, ask questions from Luis.
Question.
Yeah.
What kind of thing can you put on top of the cardboard? So you've done wood chip. What other things can you use?
Good. The question is what we should put on the cardboard
Yeah.
other than the wood chips.
Yeah, the other
Very
options.
interesting questions. So, question for you: what we can put?
To be quite honest, it's anything you can get your hands on, really. In a worst case scenario, you can lay your cardboard down and just put bricks on top so that it doesn't blow away. The best case scenario, you have your homemade compost and you're able to put a nice big layer or two on, or sort of inch or two on, should we say. In between that, you can use straw, hay, it's got seeds and things like that, so they'll start causing a bit of a problem. But wood chip, as you can see, grass clippings, leaf mulch, so any organic matter really that's going to help break down and add to the soil.
So the answer is you can put cardboards, cover with the bricks. One thing, if you are not having bricks, cover with the compost. Wood chips already you can see. Haze, he is saying it's not good because haze are. Also try to avoid put any plastic or try to avoid any carpet because it will destroy the circuit between soil and then there will be lots of fibers sticking with the soil. And any organic material basically which can feed the earthworms. Now you can decide what is the food of earthworm. Okay. Any other questions? So thank you everyone for joining today's session, and we did this today is 11th Feb, right? 11th Feb, and in the month of Valentine we are making this bond with the plants. These plants are now in the fall season, they are having not any leaves, but in spring we will have again leaves. So this is the learning for today. Thank you so much.